Friend, do you know you can sit at home and work with American largest company? For there, you no need any investment and also no need professional degree. I am going to share with you a platform that is the largest printing platform of America. There you can earn through more than 5 methods and easiest of them is tapping, in which there you can earn $1 for writing forward. Just think how much money you can earn if you come to the expensive side. This platform is very amazing, authentic and also very trusted. Around 1.5 million people are working on this platform and earning a good amount of money. I'm sure you wanna to know how we start earning on this website. If you wanna know and wanna learn, let's go on video detail. Assalamu alaikum, I am Ishtaq Noor. Very warm welcome in my channel Earn with Noor. Today in this video we discuss how we start tapping work American largest company. Today I am share with you a very amazing, authentic and trusted platform. There you can just log in your ID and start earning on this platform. Almost 1.5 million people are also working on there and earning there. So I am share with you all detail about this website. First we see it is authentic or trusted or fake. After that we go to original website and see how we start working on this website. You never need to worry about it how I am write content. I am tell you all about how you write ready-made content and how you create an account on this website and how you send article on this website and how you start earning. So I think I'm never waste your more time. So let's go to computer screen and see how start earning on this website. If till yet you never subscribe my channel fast and press bell icon. So let's go on computer screen and see how it starts. So friend, now we are on computer screen and here we write our google.com. So here we open our Google and here we write our required website. There we start our earning. So I'm write our required website, The Nation, www.thenation.com. So friends, top of the page we show The Nation. Here this is the biggest company of American. So friend, we click on The Nation. So this is, see friends, this is the website. There we start our earning and on working with this. We're scrolling top to down and first we need to visit all website. So before starting working on this website, we need to check this website is authentic, trusted or valid or fake. So I'm go on the scam advisor. There I'm write this website and press enter. So friends, after a few seconds the scam advisor tell us how this website. So the trust rate is high and 100 from 100. So friends, scam advisor tell us this thenation.com is very authentic, trusted and good website. So now we go back on our original website and there we see how we start working on this website. So friend, we come on original website again. Here see a lot of topics, lot of article you see and also some books, some wars, pictures, some articles. They are already show on this website and we need to click some others. So if we see about views and content, so friends, this is the all information about the nation.com. So this is mailing address, contact if you need to contact them. So you need to contact them, then you got all contacts about the nation.com. So subscribe problems, so letter to editor and freelancer agreements and subscription guidelines and this is digital marketing and press inquiries and so policy is also they give us. So you need to read it carefully because you're going to working with them and you need to all policy very carefully. So here the all terms and conditions they give us. So almost this. So now we talk the topics. How many topics we need to working with them. So lot of topics, lot of lessons they give us. So this is the such a works: images, button icon, picture, dialogues, music, sound, video, document, drawing, figures, logos, means, web pages, graphics, color schemes, tools, fonts, designs. Friends, more than I think hundreds ways and 100 topics they need. It is depend on your interest, which kind of article, which kind of topic, which kind of field you wanna to send them, and you wanna start earning with them. Now you're thinking how I'm write article, because you never know to write article. So it is very easy. I'm give you way. I'm tell you the website. There you go and write your ready-made article and copy and paste here and start your earning. So friends, I'm go on chat GPT. You need to go Google and write their chat GPT. So I'm already write their chat GPT. So I'm trying to chat GPT. So friends, here the website, here this page, there you need to write your required article and the chat GPT write article for you. So I'm right here. I need article on Pakistan and press enter. After a few seconds, chat GPT write an article for us. So Pakistan is a country located in South Asia, bordered by India to the east, Afghanistan to the north, Iran to the west, and China to the. So friend, it is very easy. ChatGPT write for us because ChatGPT is our assistant nowadays. You never worry about it how you write the article for you. This work ChatGPT doing for you. So friend, now ChatGPT write us the article. So we need to copy this article and simply we send to the nation.com. And if it is approved article, then the nation.com hire you and you start your earning on this website. So friend, it is very easy. I think I am give you an idea for your new journey. I hope you adopt this way and start earning on this web before start your working on this website. So I hope you like my video. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel and share this video with your lovely friends. Till then, next video, goodbye and Allah Hafiz.